Hello viewers, this is the Smart Excel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to compare two columns and find the differences. So this is what I've been doing in the previous four videos. If you want, you can refer to my videos where I've done in different formats. So not equal to, so it was like index. If you use not equal to or not equal to, doesn't really matter. So the problem here is if you want to have the things you can do, find the common items and non-common items, different items. So I will show you in different videos. This is for the common items, this is for the different items. Now I have some queries regarding what is going to happen if you have two or more columns or tables or rows or ranges. So whatever I was doing the previously was for the two ranges only. So if you have two or more ranges, what is the best solution? So if you want to have two rows, which we can be showing you in how to do in for the two rows. So before that, I will like to clear all this format. So select the area where you want to do the formatting, and here you can go to conditional format, and in conditional format, I will get a new rule. So home conditional format. So this is Office 2016, the latest version, and new rule. And here you can select use format to determine which cells to format. So we will be using the same countif functions, and in the later part I'll be showing you how to use the match and isna function to do the same things. So it's like count if you can use small cases or uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't really matter. Automatically the system will make into a uppercase. Count if. So you have already selected this. So please remember you always first you have to select this. Now you'll be selecting is the range. So it's like CRC. It doesn't give you screen tips here, but you have to remember that CRC. So C count if is C and around is the range. So the range is this area. So either you can select this way or you can select the either you can select this way, but you have two columns. Now if you want the other way in Excel we do is and we use and we select this, and let's see is going to work or not. So this is the this is the range, and we want to have a criteria. So the criteria is again the same. So I'll be hitting F4 to unlock the column values, and I'll be closing the parenthesis. Just want to check is it going to work. So it's giving no, it's not working. So what you have to do is after writing the count if you want to find the range or two or more columns, you can do is you have to select the column simultaneously, or you can select in this way, and you can click over here. If you have more than two or three columns, you can keep on expanding. But I have only two or three columns right now, so I'll be using this C to E. So it's going to show you C to E, and I'll be doing a comma, and this is going to be the count. So I'll be removing this into F4 and closing the parenthesis. And now I'm going to show you either you can do less than or not equal to 0, or you can leave as it is. So I'll be showing you both ways. So you have to go format, and you can select any hi-fi color, lighter one. Okay, so you have to see if anything is highlighted is common. So this is for the common values. So you can see the common values are getting highlighted, but we don't have American warning light or actuator. So if I copy this control C and if I paste somewhere here, so you can see it got highlighted. So if I remove this, so it is gone, it is highlighted. So if you the same way, if I have something for steel fabrication, if I don't have this, or if I have an extra S over here, so you can see it gets dishighlighted. So if you want it back, you can, and you will get it back. So the formula is working fine for this. Now we want to do for the these two columns the same way. Okay, for this one is okay. Now we have done for this column. Now for this column is the biggest question. So when if I'm selecting this, please be very careful. I'm selecting this. Go into conditional formats, new rule. and here I'm selecting equals to count, open the parenthesis. Now as I showed you, the ranges are here and here. So how can I go in this way? I cannot go in this way because my actual cells are here. If I go in this way and select this, let's see what is going to happen. Close parenthesis, format will be like blue. See, the whole area is getting selected. So we cannot go in this way. So what can be done? So I will try something else. So if you have something like AND functions, so if you remove this, count if a range is like this, as I showed you, and if you use AND, is it going to work? And this comma range for this. So this is the range and this is the criteria. Close parenthesis. We'll get an error. So what has to be done over here is the big question. So anyhow, I'll be showing you for the other one, which is nearby. So we'll be deleting this row. So here we can do that. Condition fair, new rule. Go to this way and type countif, open parenthesis. The range is this to here. So I just selected in a different way, or you can kind of make this in the range and you hit F3. You can refer to my previous video, comma. This one I'll be giving as E, P, and C. I'm not putting in dollar sign in the beginning. So let's see if the formulas are working. So if you have something like, if I make this into an X, so it's getting highlighted. So the formula is working here. So how to do for this, I want you to guess or bring some ideas, and I'll be showing this the area to be covered for this in the next video. So keep watching, please subscribe to my channel, please share this video, and please wait for the suspense to open, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.